I have just joined Perplexity Pro and I did not pay a dime. Let me explain. Now, I've been using Perplexity, which is AI search for anyone who really doesn't know about it. You can actually do a lot with it. You can do research on anything that you could have done with Google, except that it actually brings you the information and nothing but the information. So it's really great, especially if you're trying to find stuff that you would not necessarily get to in Google, because Google has a lot of sponsored stuff at the very beginning of your search, and you have to scroll through all that to actually get to your organic search. This, you cut through that, you basically put in the query, and it gives you a list of resources and sources that you can cite if you're doing research on something, or if you just want to know about some random fact that popped into your head. But the greatest thing that I have been doing is that I've been using it every day as I'm creating some content. And I saw this thing. I'm actually on my desktop. So you can use Perplexity on your desktop. Just download the app. I believe it's also in the iOS store. I'm on a Microsoft Windows application here. And what you can do is basically when you use it for 7 days straight, you've earned a pro subscription. And because I was doing it naturally anyway, I realized I saw pro. I looked and I go, oh my gosh, because I did that, I now can get pro free. So if you're looking to get into Perplexity, but you don't want to pay the $20 for it and you want to try it out, download the app. I'll give you the link in the description. Download the app from your store, from the Windows, or maybe even I think it might be also in Apple, but download it on your PC, use it 7 days straight, and you've earned a pro, and you can really play around with it. It has great deep research. For example, I have this right here. You can go in-depth reports with unlimited access for subscribers. And you can also do labs, which I haven't really tried yet, but I am going to since I now have Bird Free. You can even do voice mode on here. So you have a lot of options as a pro member, and you would not have paid a dime. So go ahead and give that a shot. Click the link in my description and you can go ahead and give it a try. Enjoy and let me know how you're using it. Let me know how everything's going. All right, thanks everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. More stuff coming soon. I'm just been kind of busy. I have plenty of videos that are coming up in the net for the summer, and we're going to get back on track. All right, thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.